Hey travelers, it's Laura, Get Out There Tours and Travel. This video is for the people going on my Thailand trip that's in December. Just a little video that I want to show you what I'm bringing for my personal item and my carry-on, since I'm getting a lot of questions about it. We're talking about not having to take too big of like a rolling bag. So this is the alternative that I came up with. I want to first mention that I have a rolling duffel bag, Patagonia one, which is a medium size. So that will be my check-in bag. And that has a handle. So on that handle, I'll be able to put this bag. It has a pass-through section, so I'll be able to put that onto my check-in bag when I'm rolling it. I'm actually going on a train ride before the trip even starts, so that's a whole different story. But so I've thought about my trip and what's going to be the easiest for me to get around before I have like our van that takes all my luggage. So I'm going to have a backpack duffel bag. So these straps actually tuck in here, but for the most part, when I'm traveling around the first few days, I'm going to have this on my back. I'm going to have this on my sitting on my rolling bag. So that's why I have to take a few items, because number one, since I'm checking in, I always like to make sure that I have a change of clothes, which I have in this bag, for a couple days. Bathing suit, pair of shorts, pajamas, a couple shirts, a bathing suit cover up. So what's in my personal item? This is going to be at my feet, during the flight. And tucks under the seat in front of me. So this is going to have my chargers, because the chargers cannot go into the check bag, and they actually ask you not to put them in your carry-on that's above. They want you to be able to watch your chargers all the time. That being said, most of the airlines, the Asian airlines, are not allowing you to charge during the flight. So there's probably not a chance of them overheating. So what's in this bag? Okay, first I want to point out that it has these outside pockets, two of these. You can see that they protrude out. So this is really handy when I've got the bag crossbody around me and I'm going through security, because my passport wallet fits right in here. I also have my regular wallet, and I have it attached with a lanyard to the clip inside, because I don't want to misplace my wallet. Nobody wants to misplace their wallet. And then this one just has like wipes for the tray table and some tissues. What's in this bag? This is my turtle neck pillow. It comes in a case, so I can actually tie that onto the outside of my bag right before I get on the flight, so I can take it off really quick and put it in the seat. So this is my purse that I walk around in the airport. I have this on me too, so this has all my stuff during the airport. I put it in the personal item bag when I get on the plane, because you're only allowed to bring 2 pieces. And this is my toiletries with liquids that I'll have during transit. I have 3 flights. And then this is sort of like my headphones and the chargers. All those are down in the bottom. It's got a separate section here. I've got my headphones in here. I can take this out and put it in the seat pocket. I actually have a headlamp in there too. I just keep all electronics in this case. It's a different one than I usually bring, and I may swap that out. But I like this one because it opens sort of like doctor bag style, and because my headphones actually fit in it. Usually I have to have 2 electronics bags. So that's really all I have in this bag. I'm going to have my laptop. There's a laptop sleeve inside. I'll have that in there. And I just have a journal and some snacks and things will be in there, and my Thai money. And then in the carry-on, this will be tucked above the whole trip. But when I want to point out too, that on each bag, I have one of these Go clips. And this one, I have one too. This is so when I go to the restroom, I hook them up. I don't put them on the ground when I'm in the airport. So, get into this bag somehow. Not a lot in here. These are my papers. This will be more full. This is my 35mm camera, all padded up really well. We'll have a GoPro in there too. And I have a pair of Birkenstocks, like the plastic kind. These are sort of my airport shoes. Like, and then I'll wear like my sneakers on the plane, or whatever shoes I wear, sort of like as walking shoes. Wear those on the plane. I'll probably take them off right before, right when I sit down. And this is my clothes for the first 3 days, in case my bag gets lost. So that's what takes up most of the room. There's a sunglasses case that holds a pair of glasses and a pair of sunglasses, all my vitamins and medications, and a few other things like chapstick and things like that that aren't liquid, that would be in the other bag. And then these are some of my coffee supplies for the first few days. And then anything else that has a, this is a fan, a little portable fan. I don't want to check that because sometimes it turns on. And then in this bag I have my other things for the flight, which is my foot hammock and my compression socks. I do always use a foot hammock when I'm traveling in premium or economy, on any flight that's more than like 5 hours. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll answer them for you. But those are my 2 bags as of right now. I think it's a good system that I have with the backpack, and then the tote bag, I can wear it over me. It's not that heavy. And then when I have my check-in bag after I land, I'll put it on top of that. So looking forward to traveling with you. We'll see you soon.